I have 10 minutes. Promise you, I'm not going over 10 minutes. I have 10 minutes, see? 10 minutes. $30 seconds. I'm going to see what I have to say, see? All right. The man them in a music. The man them in a dancehall and reggae music. The rapists them and the abusers them violate the sisters them will come round, you know. The man them will call themselves ambassadors and reggae ambassadors and dancehall ambassadors and pat on yourself on the back and say you know icons and you know want people rate you know and love you know. I want to get the love and support from whole heap of females around the world because let me tell you something. Most of the Jamaican artists them will break internationally are bust big and the female them really good enough. The extra mileage upon the career, you know, is the females them around the world globally. And the female them really send on a thing a road, you know. Majority of the artists them will bust internationally on the international market. Is the female them send on a road, you know, the female really support, you know. When you reach, you know, because I remember say the girls them really, you know, draw the man them for even support, you know, too, because girls want to go on stage show go soon, you know, and man want to go with them. Women support, you know, in a major way, because when stage show I keep, or when dance I keep, women go and them do them nails and them do them ear. So the woman them actually make you get all pay. You see what I say? The woman them make you get all pay because, you know, people come and some of the festivals them wanna go and people have stall and them thing there and people go buy from them and the promoter get to eat back of food and you see what I say? So knowing that, I wanna feel today, uno artists, we know yourself what the sisters them talk about. Because you don't know yourself, you know, because let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, people. You have a thing in your conscience. You see when the light turn off, and your friend them around you, you gas up, your people them gas you up and make you feel like, say, you're greater than anybody else and you're better than anybody else and you can kill anybody you want to kill and you can make your thugs them kill who them want to kill. No matter how much people the people them around you kill, you know, and no matter how much people them beat, and no matter how much people them intimidate, at the end of the night, you know, at the end of the day, you know, you have a little space, you see, where just you alone. I just you alone are going in that space there. You see what I say? When you're in that space, then you reflect. And you say to yourself, say, yo, John was star. And me, she attack, you know. How you feel? When all of your yes man they move from around you, because you don't sleep with them, you know, because them drop you off or them cut after certain hours, because them have to go to them yard and them have to go to them bed and them have to go take care of them responsibilities. Even when they on the internet to support you, them still take time out. The next day them come and them gas you up again and them take time out. The next day them come and them gas you up again. And when them keep gassing you up, you get tired of them. You not even want to watch them again. You not even want to see them and gas you up. So you have that time to know by yourself in a little corner, in your bed, lay down and you're looking at the roof. You lay down and you're looking at the roof and you say, And me she attack, you know. How you feel? How you feel when you know say you did make your friend them kill all of youth? How you feel? How you feel when you know say a sister up on the internet and say you rape her? And you know say, I say she get raped and you know say you she attack. How you feel when you see all her sister cry uncontrollable? To the point where you see all people all ridicule her. Because you see some man in the comments and some woman a laugh and she a pour out her heart because she a carried a burden there for years. And she a cry out her heart. How you feel? If you know say you did beat her. How you feel and know say she is not your daughter. How you feel if you know say she is not your child. How you feel if you know say now you have daughters or a daughter. So if me should have beat your daughter or rape your daughter, what happened to me? What if your daughter now come round me and want bust because you not really take care of her? Maybe you wouldn't even, you not care? Me not like for know. You not care? Let's say you love your daughter because some of you have pitney and don't love the pitney them. Because you just breathe and move. But let's say you love your daughter. You know? And she like me. Sang them. And she come on stage show and we see her backstage and just push me under her. And she come and say, Daddy, such and such push man under me, you know. How do I feel? If you know, say, a man just see your daughter backstage and just grab her by the pussy. How do I feel when she come to you and say, Daddy, stand up backstage, you know, and she just a cry uncontrollably and I say, you push this hand under me. How do I feel? You don't want to kill me, though. Or whosoever do it, don't it? So why did I do that to a sister? How do I feel if your daughter or one of your family member, your sister, I try to get a bus and she go around some man and them I say you have to run pussy and if she not run the pussy, them tear off her drawers and rape her. How you don't feel? After 20 years, they just say, yo, a long time is it gone. You know, that still want to kill all the man there for 20, 30, 40 years past. You know, that still want to kill a man there. How would I feel if your daughter come 20 years after me beat her? To the point where she have to go to the hospital. But you never did find out. And 20 years after you see her on the internet, I cry. And you say, what happened to you? Because she did afraid to tell you because she never want you to kill me. Because she knows you're a wicked man. She knows you will kill me. So she never want you to kill me and go to prison. So she never did tell you. And one day you just see her on the internet, I cry. And I said, he beat me. And when he done beat me, he beat me. He beat me. Everybody stand up and watch him and beat me. How you don't feel when she come tell you, say, me they do it. You don't want to kill me, though. Let me tell you something. This is not the final destination, you know. This is just an experience. It's just earth and it's an experience. And the whole of we, some of we are 50 already and some of we near 50. That means that we're close. If you leave that realm here. And time a fly. You see how quick the year done? Some of we have over 130. Remember Tootsie birth them dead when them about 70 or so, you know. And Alton Ellis them and John Watt them and the whole of them dead in them 70s and them age there. And whole heap of miles left on our body. Because we fly all over the world. Some of we drink, some of we just go. Some of we all do our surgery. Pan we belly and we kidney and all kind of stuff, man. Some of we all live in the hospital and people don't know them just see we and think that we're healthy. But some of we I deteriorate fast. This when they're on a dead bed they go out. This when they're on a dead bed they go out. A dead bed they go out. These are going to be your reflections. And guess what? Nobody will gas you up and nobody will kill people for you. Nobody will beat people for you. Nobody will take up for you. Can't go with you. Or can't go and make you stay. Them now can go and make you stay, you know. When you're up on that bed there with a failed kidney or a failed organ, and you take them last deep breath there, your brain are going to still a function. And you're going to remember everything we do to them sisters, yeah. We come around you, just a look a break. Because you know what you do? When you damage something where precious. Something will give life. It gives life, people. Something will gives life on no hurt. All of the hurt life givers. And things said this is going to just be on the final chapter. Let me tell you something. Whether hell around there wait for you, or for we, whether reincarnation, something that they are wait. No matter where we believe in. One thing I can tell you, energy cannot be destroyed. The laws of science. This the physical that go stay here and create nourishment for all the plants and them things there, so people can continue to get oxygen. But you have a thing named the soul. You hear some people say dopey. Enough people not believe. But dopey real. Spirit. People say spirit. That is to show us that energy cannot die. So you see the things that this are the final chapter. So beat all who you beat and send go kill all who you want send go kill. And rape all who you want rape. And things that this are the final chapter. Remember, we are going to take a last breath. What are we? What are we going to take the final breath? You see? And all who are support you know, trust me, they are going to take the final breath there too. You may be young now. You may be a young supporter now. But I was young too. I did 18 one time. 19 one time, 20 one time, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Me are 50 now. 20 years, 30 years, or maybe even sooner. Me not go there talk to you. But me, what I know, say when I leave that realm, or when I take my last breath, me not go have them corruption they pack up on me. And them wickedness and them evil. Because one of the things when you can do the wickedness, them man go talk about, see I forgive I, or Jesus forgive I, and somehow you turn Christian. And things like that I go clear, you know. You can't get no clearance when the people them where you hurt still are hurt. Because you can't fight in your heart as a man. To reach out to them and undo the wrongs them we do. So you have them on the internet to cry them heart out. Because now at the only time, at the era this we in, where them have somebody to cry to. Some people where them not even know. Maybe if you just call the sisters them wanna hurt and say, yo, I want to meet with you. You know how much healing that it work. It go on there so. You think a little bit of healing would go on there so. If we not just reach out to the sisters them. So make a meet up. Because you know say you're not going to get no trouble for them. Even if them call name. Because people love wrongdoers. But remember, them can't take a place. When the day come, you're going to go on your own. When you're ready to leave, nobody now going to come over you. The hole where them put in. The hole that them put in, nobody now going to come. All the people must say they love you and them not kill people for you. them not going to come and say, put me instead. And even them try that, them are going to cover up the two and one because that can't bring you back. 10 minutes gone, people. Because I think I finish. I think I say it all. I don't say you can't do me nothing, you know. But one day you're going to come. I don't say you if you can confess you want to beat, or you want to rape, or you want to do whatever to the sister them. But one thing I know say, a day is going to come. Hope it's not too late. Keep it going. I think say, Earth is the final journey. Keep it going. You see? Big up on yourself, sisters. And all the sisters that come around, big up on yourself. Because I always soon as a sister. Nothing more. Because I don't think so we not forget punishment. I don't think so nobody's supposed to abuse, for go no a break. Abuse, because, less fortunate and I look at we way out. Venice I bring them come on my house before them boss. And I bad them up and say, yo, what ambition me want to have? Ask them. In my house. Never yet hear them out there say me a beat one of them. Latich hear them, all of them come in my hand. In my house. In my studio. Never yet violate one of them. Because I see them as sisters. I see them as a life givers. Me not perfect enough people. But me confess my sins to whom me hurt. Me not go to Jesus now one corner and say, Jesus, me did hurt such and such. I Selassie, me did hurt such and such. No, because Selassie and Jesus here. But the person when me hurt, not here. And that person when me hurt, maybe that person they want here. I want to see the pain in the sisters them. I want to see the pain. I want to think them just act. Or them a look likes. There is nothing to look likes about that, people. No sister now come humiliate themselves them way they just to get little likes. Because them could have go over OnlyFans if I that them did a look. All them have to do is come strip phone and get more likes than what them a get now for free themselves. But them just a purge. Because we out here stand up with them and I give them strength. Them scared. They're afraid. But we are trying to make them understand that there is nothing to fear but fear itself, because man can't only hurt the physical, can't touch your soul. Them may say attention somehow we are look. But at the end of the day, we there as a rock on you can lean upon. So if it takes free yourself on the internet, if that alone you have. If that's the only outlet, free yourself. Because enough of you are going like I just tune to see Macka ball now the first hear about woman that get beaten by artists. Or artists that make woman a beat man. Or man a beat woman, excuse me, in front of them and they sit down and just a watch. I want to jump up and rail up for them on the stage show. No one not going like you not trick people. A long time I don't know artists a beat woman. For no reason. No reason. Sisters, them just go around them and look like a help. And so what them do with them. And enough of you still support them. But free yourself, sister. Because your tears them is just a cleanser. Your tears are just cleanser. And I say you free yourself. Cry. Let it out. Don't be afraid. And don't be trapped in a prison. You did not do anything wrong. Let the people that hurt you stay in the prison. Come out, leave them. Leave them, not them damnation. See? Big up on yourself.